In this video, we'll go over Kyber network. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Kyber network to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Kyber network? Kyber network is a hub of liquidity protocols that aggregates liquidity from various sources to provide secure and instant transactions on any decentralized application. The main goal of Kyber network is to enable DeFi dApps, decentralized exchanges, and other users easy access to liquidity pools that provide the best rates. All transactions on Kyber are on-chain, which means they can be easily verified using any Ethereum block explorer. Projects can build on top of Kyber to utilize all the services offered by the protocol, such as the instant settlement of tokens, liquidity aggregation, and a customizable business model. Kyber looks to solve the liquidity issue in the decentralized finance industry by allowing developers to build products and services without having to worry about liquidity for different needs. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Kyber network is the first tool that allows anyone to instantly swap tokens without the need of a third party, like a centralized exchange. The unique architecture of Kyber is designed to be developer-friendly, which enables the protocol to be easily integrated with apps and other blockchain-based protocols. DeFi has many use cases and possibilities. Therefore, no single liquidity protocol can fit the needs of all liquidity providers, takers, and other market participants. Kyber's liquidity hub architecture allows developers and the Kyber team to rapidly innovate and integrate new protocols into the overall Kyber network to cater to different liquidity needs. In April 2021, Kyber launched the Kyber DMM, the world's first dynamic market maker protocol. Kyber DMM is a next-generation AMM designed to react to market conditions to optimize fees, maximize earnings, and enable extremely high capital efficiency for liquidity providers, especially for stable pairs with low variability in price range. They will be able to support pools with extremely high amplification factors, which means given the same liquidity pool and trade size, slippage can be 100x better than typical AMMs. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $19 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.